हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। कैसे हैं आप लोग? हम लोग एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एंड द चैप्टर इट इज़ द एसिड्स बेसेस एंड सॉल्ट्स। इससे पहले हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं अबाउट द पीएच ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस एंड वी नो दैट इफ द pH of the solution it is less than 7 then the solution it is acidic. If the pH of the solution it is more than 7 then the solution it is basic or alkaline, and if the pH of the solution is equal to 7 then the solution it is neither acidic nor basic, rather it is neutral. Today we will discuss about the importance of pH in everyday life, means what is the importance of pH in everyday life. Are plants and animals pH sensitive? In order to get the answer of this question, we have to see some of the facts. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8, means our body it works well within the pH range of this 7 to 7.8. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. Living organisms can survive when there is the change in pH, it is very less or slight change, then the organism can survive. But if the change in pH it is very large, then it becomes difficult to survive. Rainwater is slightly acidic. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. Rain when fallen, actually it is neither acidic nor basic, rather it is neutral. But while coming down towards the earth, some of the non-metallic oxides which are acidic in nature get dissolved with the rainwater, and as a result the rainwater it becomes slightly acidic, and the pH of that rainwater it is 5.6. And if the pH of the rainwater it suppose it is less than 5.6, then it is termed as the acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers become difficult. When acid rain it flows into the rivers, obviously it will lower the pH of the river water, and as a result survival of the aquatic life in such river it becomes difficult. So we can say that plants as well as animals are pH sensitive. Next topic it is pH in our digestive system. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in digestion of food without harming our stomach. Our stomach it is the part of our digestive system. It produces hydrochloric acid, and this hydrochloric acid it helps in digestion of food without harming the stomach. But during indigestion the stomach produces too much acid, and this causes pain and irritation. In this case, means in the case of indigestion, the stomach it produces excess or too much acid, and this causes the pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, mild bases such as magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, etc. are used as antacids. The antacids neutralize the excess acid. In this case, means in order to get relief, we use the antacids, and some of the antacids are magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. Actually, these antacids, which are basic in nature, they neutralize the excess acid and we get relief. Next, pH change as the cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5, means when the pH in the mouth it becomes lower than 5.5, then tooth decay it starts. Tooth enamel made up of calcium phosphate is the hardest substance in the body. Tooth enamel which is made up of calcium phosphate, and this one it is the means this tooth enamel, it is the hardest substance in the body. It does not get dissolved in water, means water does not have any effect on this tooth enamel, but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5, means when the pH in the mouth it becomes less than 5.5 or below 5.5, then corrosion of the tooth it starts. Actually, what is the reason behind this low pH? Bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by the degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. Our mouth, some of the bacteria which are present there, they cause the degradation of sugar and food particles if remained in the mouth after eating, and as a result, due to the degradation of that sugar or food particles, they produce acids, and due to this the pH in the mouth it becomes below 5.5, and this causes the corrosion of the tooth, means in this case the tooth decay starts. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating. Therefore, it is better, or it is the best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth properly after eating. Using toothpaste which are generally basic in nature for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. Toothpaste which we are using, they are basic in nature, and these toothpaste which are basic in nature, they neutralize the excess acids. Excess acids means the acids which are produced by the bacteria in the mouth. These acids are neutralized by the toothpaste because these are basic in nature and prevent tooth decay. Next, self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Animals like honeybee, red ant, etc. release acids for their self-defense. Honeybees and ants release formic acid when they stung. Use of mild base like baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate on the stung area can neutralize the acid and we get relief. This honeybee or red ant, they release the acid, and the acid it is the formic acid, and due to this we feel burning sensation or irritation in the area. In order to get relief from this pain or irritation or burning sensation, mild base like baking soda, that is the sodium hydrogen carbonate, can be used. What happens there in this case? This baking soda, it is the basic in nature, it will neutralize the acid released by these animals, that is a honeybee or ant, and we get relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves also inject methanoic acid, causing burning pain. One plant, that is the nettle plant, the leaves of that nettle plant, they inject methanoic acid and this causes burning pain. A traditional remedy in this case is rubbing the area with the leaf of the dog plant. This is the traditional remedy. Mean here the leaves of the dog plant, the leaves are rubbed on the affected area and we get relief. Actually, instead of this traditional remedy, a mild base can be used because that base it will neutralize the acid released by that nettle leaves, and we can get relief. Okay, next day we will discuss about the salts, different types of salts and their properties. Okay, thank you again, take care and have a good day.